Next our topic is camera. Camera is a image sensor. The camera uses a CCD which consists of a large number of pixels exposed to the light from the image. So camera is worked on the principle of image sensor. It uses the CCD where it consists of a large number of pixels exposed to the light. Whenever it is focused on the light, it from the images. It accumulates charges on each of the pixel present at large number of horizontal and vertical coordinates. It accumulates charges. It accumulates charges on each pixel present at a large number of horizontal and vertical coordinates. So it generates the charges on large number of pixels where it present in horizontal and vertical coordinates. The charge accumulation is per the intensity of light at corresponding pixel coordinate the image. The charge accumulation is per the intensity of the light. It depends upon the light intensity at the corresponding pixel coordinates to the image. If you are getting the good images, means it is depends upon the intensity of light. This is intensity of light is based on charge accumulations. Color red camera has a set of R, G and blue, red, green, blue light intensity component at each pixel coordinate. If you are using the red cameras is having the color of RGB. RGB stands for red, green, blue light intensity component. These light intensity components are very much effective at each pixel coordinate. Let us see what is a pixel. Pixel is a picture element. It is just as a dot. What is then that dot? The distance between pixel to pixel is called as dot pitch. If these two dots are very closer, then you are going to get in a good resolution, good image. This good image can be captured through your camera. The camera generates a file from the RG and B intensity at each image pixels. By using these camera, it generates a file based on RGB intensities at image pixels. So if you are generating a file, means RGB intensity must be present in a image pixels. The file gets saved in memory after compression in JPG or GIF or any other standard formats. So after generating the image pixel, it is storing in the form of a file. It will be stored in the memory after the compression in JPG or GIF or any other standard format. Whatever the standard format you are choosing, according to your standard format, your image will be stored in the form of a file in your memory. The file gets stored. Okay. A computer communicates the saved file to the internet for applications such as industrial IoT, home security system, ATM security system, automotive IoT or participatory sensing IoT. So by using this computer, it communicates the saved files to the internet for applications such as industrial IoT. In your industrial IoTs, we are going to be using these cameras. So various types of cameras are available. So we are using the CC cameras, normal cameras and various types of cameras which are used for our application programs. So some of them are here suggested as industrial IoT, home security system, ATM security system, automotive IoT or participatory sensing IoT. So by using these application systems, a computer communicates saved files over the internet applications. Next our topic is LiDAR. LiDAR is a light plus radar. So LiDAR stands for light plus radar, where the laser imaging, detection and ranging sensors and laser 3D imaging technology enables remote sensing and imaging. By using this LiDAR sensors and laser 3D imaging technologies, we are enabling the remote sensing and imaging. We are identifying the remote object by the sensing and also identifies the imaging. It finds the distance by throwing light using laser on target. So how it identifies? It identifies the distance by throwing the light using laser on the target. So by passing the laser light on the target, we are identifying the distance between from the source to the target. The sensor senses the reflected light, which enables the computation of distance. So whatever the sensor senses the reflected light, so the emitted light can be identified through the reflections. Based on that, it calculates the distance.